My name is Sonia Lenk. I grew up in Quito, Ecuador. Quito is the capital of Ecuador in the Andes. Mi nombre es Sonia Lenk. Crecí en Quito, Ecuador, la capital de Ecuador, en los Andes. Many countries have beautiful places, and Ecuador is not an exception. It's a small country, the size of Nevada, but it has absolutely four distinct regions: the Galapagos Islands, the coast, the highlands, and the rainforest. And they are all precious and wonderful places. More than anything, I love the people from Ecuador. They are very welcoming. I have picked a word in Quechua. Quechua is the indigenous language, comes from the Incas. So the descendants of the Incas, which is 98% of the indigenous in Ecuador, speak Quechua. There are other 7 indigenous languages, but I would like to share. It's 2 words in Quechua. It's called Randi Randi. Randi Randi is a very important principle in the Quechua community. It means a reciprocity. But different than what we would think about reciprocity, it's not between 2 people. It's reciprocity towards the community. So you would find a lot of indigenous people working in order to build a community house or a house for an individual and putting all their labor into doing this, because you have to build a better community with reciprocity. So Randi Randi.